In this episode, I stay at the tranquil Spring River Resort. It feels like you're staying in the jungle with all the noises of nature. As well as that, I go exploring down the river jungle just like Tomb Raider. Enjoy. Hey, I'm Michael from Fresh Belief, and we've just finished up at the Rock Point Lodge. Little tiny cabin, but it was all nice, and also the zip line in the last video. So if you enjoyed that, go back to them and check them out. But now we're going to go on with our journey, and let's see where we go. We don't know yet. Let's just go. Mi lan som motorcycle you say? Ai, lan som motorcycle you say? Rồi. Này. Anh này ความมือ โอเคเข้าใจสวัสดีอันนี้ร้านซ่อมมอเตอร์ไซค์ป่ะ
No, near gas station.
Oh, near the gas station.
Yeah, 50 meters.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you. Some motorcycle you say? Motorcycle เสียสวัสดีอันนี้ร้านซ่อมมอเตอร์ไซค์ป่ะ
ซ่อมตัวไหน
เป็นเครื่องคนฟังได้แล้วก็เป็นคนรู้ได้ยินป่ะเป็นแบบนี้ผมอยู่รวมท่าแขกแรงโบ๊ทสบายดีเอาเข้าปอกยังอันนี้โอเคยินอันนี้ได้ยินป่ะรอโอเคเหรอ alright okay fuck it Ep3 won't fucking kill me fuck it out. After spending a day in the mountains, it was nice to see different views and actually get on the flat plains and actually see the real Laos countryside. It going through the villages, over the bridges, into the valley and see the vast mountains either side with the rice fields in the lower parts. It was absolutely amazing to see. After that long journey, I've arrived at the Spring River Resort. They've given me a welcome drink. There's some lemon. Not bad. Shit was about to go in my eye. But yeah, check this out. So look at this around here. This balcony. Yeah, like a place like this, I really do truly feel blessed to be able to, come to a place like this. This is just like £11 or I think like $15 or $16 per night. And like, if you think about it in the West, you're never gonna get something like that in, England, America, Europe, or anything like that. So it's, yeah, I like it. So I'll show you the room in a bit. My room has just been made, and I'm just gonna show you inside now. Check this one out. Here is the room. Nice, cozy, small, a little bit dark, but of course you'll be sleeping well. Got a little fan up here. Bed, nothing much. That's the view you got outside. most of my time will be spent here, looking out on the views, doing the activities tomorrow. Oh, that's what you get for $15. Let me know your thoughts. As you may or may not know, I do intermittent fasting, so I have one meal each day. So as you can see, that's my food whilst I'm working. Because I got some work done today, but not other stuff. All the work is finished. That took about an hour and a half in the evening. Got a nice beer. Planning out my route for tomorrow. Probably going to do some kayaking, go through the Kong Lor cave, and then maybe come back or hike back. I'm not sure yet. Not going to go to Thakhek, but yeah, we'll see how that goes, and then yeah, let's see how that goes tomorrow. Good evening. So we're having a small little beer before we go to bed in this lovely area. I don't know if you can see this too much, but you see this beauty. Look at this. These are like little floating lamps in the sky. Can't beat it. In the Spring River Lounge. Yeah, look at this. I've just got my PLATEU dark in a glass. It's gonna be some good times tonight. That was a good night's sleep. I have to say, although it's small, it was quite cozy. You know, it was pitch black, got to hear the buzzings around you. Real good. But now, I'm gonna go do some kayaking into a blue lagoon. We'll see if it's a blue, because the rainfall has been happening, but let's see what happens. Boom. Just need one. And down we go. Maybe needing these. It's cool. This is cool. Yeah, this is really peaceful. Oh, so yesterday I was talking to Mek about the mist. And I talked to Mek about the mist, and why it happened is because there's a temperature change. So it's going to be interesting if it's 4 or 5 degrees. Check this out. That right there. See that mist right there? Going to go right into it. As you can see, I'm being blown down the river again. Alright, shit. Here we go. Coming over to a tree. Shit. Imagine if there's any snakes in here. Yeah, it's not misty when you're actually in it. It's only down the path that you see it. Can't really feel a temperature change. Oh, now I can. And you really feel like you're in like a Tomb Raider kind of thing going on right here. With all the trees above here. Brace for impact. Brace for impact. Here we go. Yeah, just stopping here in this little area here. Hopefully it won't be swept down the river, but wow. Just listen to that. It's like so secluded. Gotta love it. Now the current is really trying to push me to go down that way, and yeah, I won't be allowing it. I'll just carry on with the journey. I'm stronger than the current. Here we go. It looks like this tree has fallen down, or it's just grown into the river. Huh, interesting. You don't see unless you explore, eh? Boom. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there is a super cool temperature change. Check that out. So now we're in the mist. We're in the area that was misty, and as you can see, it's still going misty down there. So I think, yeah, I could feel a different temperature change as well, where it's a little bit cooler. At the same time, it's still hot, you know. So you can definitely tell the difference. Coming into port. I'm not sure if this is the end of the road, but I have this big ass tree blocking me. Just chill here for a bit in the tranquility. Nature has its ways of stopping you and doing its own things, and this log is just a perfect example of, you know, a blockade. Tree falls down, you're not getting through. I look at this and it's just like so peaceful. That's what I like about the Spring River Resort, is it's peaceful. You're just sleeping at night time, tweeting, buzzing, and here on this river, really peaceful. You know the explorer in me is going to find a different way, and I think I might have just found it. There's the blockage, there's our route. Let's see if it works. Oh shit, there's a big spider here. I don't want to disturb whatever fucking spider's in there. I'm a little bit scared of spiders. Oh fuck. Shit, we have 2 fucking spiders in here. That was not a good idea. Yeah, 2 spiders jumped in here and I was like, ah shit, what type of spiders is it? I kind of shit myself because I don't like venomous spiders, because when they bite you, it poisons you. So yeah, I don't like those types. Yeah, they didn't bite me, so all good, happy days. Big open river. A little bit nervous. So this is a big open river, check it out. Again, the current's pulling me, but in the distance you can hear the waterfall. I've got right to the end. There is no more river. The water is coming from there. As you can see, it's probably going over them, over them. It's coming from within the caves. Interesting to hear how the water just flows through the caves, tears its way through, and then comes onto the other side and creates this river. Thousands and thousands of years, well, hundreds and thousands of years of creating this system for a new river. But yeah, now it's time to go back. On this way back, I'm just gonna let the river push me. Without control, you go into some disastrous situations. That's why you always have to have control of your own situation. That right there, of the river guiding me, was a perfect analogy for life. I was allowing the river to guide me in the direction that it wanted to, and I started crashing into stuff. However, if I guide myself with this oar, I'm going to go in the exact direction I want to. So in life, you have to do exactly the same thing. You have to take control of your life so that you don't let others guide you or life guide you. Because sometimes you go a bit too fast, or you go a bit too slow, or you go in the wrong direction and you get in trouble. In this jungle scenario, there's you know, spiders and creepy crawlies to get me, so I've got to make sure that I am in control of this, otherwise I'm in danger. So you've got to be in control of your own life, because if you're not, life is going to guide you in the way it wants you to go, not the way you want to go. I like the way back because there's not much for me to do. It's just the river pushing and flowing me along, and I can enjoy these beautiful views. Back in the big river. Boom. I really enjoyed my experience here in the jungle. I'd call it that. But yeah, it was really good, like going down the river to the edge and going through there, seeing the spiders. I didn't see any other nature, but I swear there was a snake there. I don't know, I swear there was something crawling or slithering around. But being here has been really great experience. I love getting in the nature. That bamboo hut that I was staying in, although it was small, it was comfy. You know, nighttime you could hear the all the time, so that was wonderful. But yeah, that's all it for today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about it, comment below. And if you want to see more videos on this journey, subscribe. All right, I'll see you in the next video. In the next episode, I think I've found my favorite new place. I make a new friend. As well as that, I whiz down Kong Lor cave to find a paradise on the other side. See you there.